Honey, you know what I love about the beach?
What, dear?
The sand. Yeah, those fine little granules that get caught right underneath your contacts.
Oh, that is nice.
Oh, how I love that.
It's nice you can't go swimming with your kids because of your contacts, too.
Well, I'd probably just end up having fun anyway.
Hey, remember that time you got an eye infection because you kept your contacts in too long?
Good times.
Yeah, good times.
Hey, let's go for a walk.
What was that?
Oh, just stepped on my glasses. No biggie. I'll just sell the dog and buy a new pair.
Yeah, good plan, dear.
If you're still oblivious to the hassles of glasses and contacts, it's time you looked into LASIK Plus Vision Correction. For only $42 per month with 0% financing and $0 down, you'll begin to enjoy life on your terms. Call 1-800-306-EYES for your free LASIK vision exam. 1-800-306-EYES. 1-800-306-EYES. Or visit LASIKplus.com.